Hey everyone, welcome back to another stream. I can already see a lot of hi in the chat. Hey everyone, welcome back to another hackathon hosted by Major League Hacking. We are at Hack the Classroom. I can already see a lot of hi in the chat. Hey, Pathiretrin, I'm so sorry if I'm mispronouncing your name. Hey Dhruv, welcome to the stream. Yep, the most important question where you all are hacking from. Before we actually dive into what we are going to cover in the 3 days of the hackathon, what are activities going to be there, what are the prizes, what are the things you need to work on. You should also drop that where you are hacking from. Since this is a digital hackathon, you have a platform to work from anywhere and submit projects for this hackathon. Yep, super thrilled. Oh, this feels super good. Nice BGM. I'm using this background music from a long time for my streams and all. But yep, okay. Hey Caramel, hello. Sorry, I went to the Discord, tried to join, but due to the fact that a phone number is needed, I was unable to chat. Okay, I guess if that problem exists, if you will need any more help, you can generate tickets at Discord if you're facing any issue. Hey Avinash Dubey. Hey Avinash, welcome to the stream. Hey Dev Surya, welcome to the stream. Again, I'm so sorry if I'm mispronouncing your name. But yep, you are at an hackathon hosted by Major League Hacking. Yep, Dhruv, I heard you. We are starting super soon. Okay, just a query. I've registered already, but I'm trying to find teammates who are more front end design and some were able to expand on ideas. I have some, but I need three more folks. I'll be doing more data visualization stuff. Folks, just to start, Caramel is looking for teammates who are more into the front end and the design part. Caramel, the best thing I can do is you can should go to Discord, Major League Hacking Discord, in the chat of the Hack the Classroom chat. Just drop your requirements, and if someone is looking for the team, you can definitely should partner up with Caramel. And oh, you are unable to post on Discord. Okay, folks, just an open reminder, Caramel is not able to use Discord. I guess they need a platform to approach you, Caramel. That is the thing. And for us at Major League Hacking, we use the Discord platform, so there is a clear transparency between folks who are trying to communicate with each other. So if you are facing any issue, just let me know. I guess the phone number is something which can be solved. And if you are able to join from another Discord ID, just tell them so that they can actually contact you. Okay, there was Suresh saying India. Oh, that's good. Excited. Uh, Major League Hacking hackathons are the best to start a new open source project. I'll be very honest. We are a platform which gives you a power to explore in whichever domain you want to work in. These type of hackathons are made with a specific theme so that you have a certain vision, have certainly aligned with, and actually work on. So yeah, not just open source, but we are into all the domains you want to start working with. So yeah, these are the best platforms to work with. Hey Naik, Mubashir, I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing your name wrong, but yep, welcome to the hackathon. And for the folks, if you're joining from India, I want to wish you a happy Raksha Bandhan. It was 2 days ago, so you can definitely see. Uh, yep, so you can broadcast your photos at, like, might be on Twitter and tag us since we are very close. Any web development hackathons? Coding Nomad Sanjay. To be very honest, this hackathon you can have build your own web project, which actually solves a problem, which actually helps the student and educators to better their learning experiences. You might have seen a lot of edtech platforms, but there can be something missing which you can actually see and actually work on. So this hackathons is an open circuit. You can work on web application, you can work on phone application, phone apps. It's an open platform to work with. I don't have knowledge of Git and GitHub. Should I join? You should definitely join. Simple reason why we use GitHub, just to host our code, and Git for the version control. So just have a basic knowledge of Git and GitHub through YouTube, you can say, or you can also approach me. I'll be your coach for, and you will be also joined by two more amazing coaches at Major League Hacking, which are going to help you if you will any feel any problem while putting the code on GitHub or using Git. You can just approach us. But the best way is you can always use YouTube platform or any other platform to learn these things. Okay, we have a lot of things to cover up, but should start up with. the opening ceremony. Hey folks, welcome to Hack the Classroom. We are back to another digital hackathon. These hackathons are hosted by Major League Hacking. And if you want to know more about Hack the Classroom, this is a hackathon which actually focus and invites you all to come together and build amazing innovative hacks that can actually transform the learning experience for the students and educators alike. So you have an amazing platform to work on. Moving ahead, you might be wondering who this folk is, right? Hey folks, I'm Vinayak. I'm a coach at Major League Hacking. Apart from that, I'm a full stack web developer. You can say the mean stack, and you can catch me share amazing things around hackathon at my Twitter handle, that is IG_raw_x. I'm also a hackathon organizer. So yep, if you want to know more about it, if you want to connect, it will be a great platform. Moving ahead, right now you're in hackathon which is hosted by MLS. Hosted by MLS means these hackathons are solely hosted by Major League Hacking to give you an amazing experience. Make sure you join our Discord, discord.mls.io, to know all the amazing details for the hackathon. We host this every single weekend to ensure you always have an event to attend. So you might be wondering, I might be a bit tired. Should what till what time I need to wait for the next hackathons? We host this type of hackathons every weekend. You will have the chance to put up amazing projects every weekend. And to be very honest, we are super excited to have you. Each of our events has a theme, but it is only here for the inspiration. As I stated earlier, folks, these things these themes actually give you a perspective that what is the way you need to work on, but it is only for the inspiration so that you can work better for your project. To start with, hey folks, welcome to Hack the Classroom. This weekend is irrespective of wherever you are hacking from, we welcome you to join this event. Hack the Classroom is for you to come together, build hacks, transform learning experience for student and educators alike. Again, this hackathon is based if you want to create certain hacks which actually helps the students, the educators. You can create a web portal. It can be another application which actually helps the students and the educators to perform better and have a great learning experience. But build your favorite hacks together this weekend. Again, these hackathons, the best part of this hackathon is to actually make a team, work in a team, come up with amazing ideas and do it. As I guess Caramel was an individual who said that he was looking for a team. If you're someone who is individual, work on teams, work with each other, makes a new projects, make friends during hackathons, and have an amazing weekend. You can always hop into our Discord at discord.mls.io. And if you want to look for a team, you have a channel there separately, which is chat for Hack the Classroom. Then we have feel free to hack whatever you would like to focus, and but focus on making friends and having fun. Again, I'll be very honest here. I have seen folks totally focusing, okay, I want to win this prize, I want to win this prize. But to be honest, it's important to have fun during these hackathons, because during this fun times when you try to innovate new projects, you work with like-minded folks, you come up with ideas you might never have ever experienced with. So make sure you make new friends, you have fun, as simple as it gets. So starting from now, MLHs are online at all the hours to make sure you have a successful this weekend. If you have any query, you will have me and other folks to like two more MLHs to like solve up. You can come up with for questions, concern, and if you just want to hang out, we will have hacker hangout channels just to have a discussion. If you want to ask, we will be there to solve you. Okay, to start with, who are the MLHs will be there for this weekend? I guess I've already introduced myself. We also have UT and Christine during this course of hackathon. Then, what is Major League Hacking? We are a global hacker community which focuses on hackathons, and to be very honest, we are super proud to have more than 6,25,000 amazing hackers just like you. Major League Hacking community is focusing on hackathons, global hack weeks, and fellowship for all our hackers around the world. Again, do you want to win community points for your folks? You should attend hackathons which are hosted by MLH or their member events with. You can be a part of global hack weeks, and again, you should take part in MLH hackathons to win community points. And we sum up these community points at the end of the year and declare which school has the maximum participation. Again, join us at our next Global Hack Week. You folks might be aware of that. Global Hack Weeks happen every month with a different theme. Upcoming week, we have the Web3 week. So if you haven't registered for it, just go to gsw.mls.io to know more information about it. So what's exactly happening at Hack the Classroom? The next 48 hours are jam packed with the activities. So use this time to learn, share, make friends, learn new things, try to innovate new things, and have, most importantly, have fun during the course of hackathon. We have plenty of mini events planned for you folks throughout the weekend. So if you feel like, okay, I'll be just coding throughout the week, no, you have amazing, we have amazing mini events for you. So join us for ones that friendly to your time zone. Again, these mini events have been planned so that all the time zone folks should be able to communicate with us, have fun during these mini events. So if it doesn't align you for in your time zone, don't worry, we definitely have a mini event for your time zone as well. Okay, to start with, we have team formation activity that will be happening just after this. I feel the stream that will be 10 p.m. Indian Standard Time, 9:30 a.m. PT, and all the available times. It will be form teams to hack with this weekend. So if you are someone who is looking to form up a team, just join our Discord. This mini events will take place on our Discord. Coming up next, we have intro to Python programming. See, if you're someone who wants to learn more about Python programming, get a basic introduction, make sure you join us at 7:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time and all other standard times which I mentioned. This intro to Python programming has been made sure that if someone wants to enter the Python programming this through our sources, you can actually work better for it. Then we have guess the item, what's in the box. It will be another mini event which will be hosted on Saturday at the respective times which are given. That is 9:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time, 9 a.m. PT. Then we have how can I get to know other hackers this weekend? I guess this question is something which is in the mind for a lot of folks. If you want to know what are the other hackers are like, get to know more about them, hacker hangouts will be happening throughout the weekend on this Discord. And if you wonder what hacker hangouts is, hacker hangouts are basically a place in like on our Discord voice channel where hackers communicate with each other. Coaches will be there if you want to ask anything, if you want to know more about other folks. Make sure you join the hacker hangouts. Make sure to join one on Saturday. That will be at 3:30 a.m. Eastern Time and 10 p.m. ET. I will just get a check on this if this timing is correct. It should be 10 p.m. IST, but I'll get a check on this. Speaking of Discord, what else should you know this weekend? These hackathons are hosted by Major League Hacking and they only take place at Major League Hacking Community Discord. Discord is where you will chat, ask questions, and meet the community. If you have any queries, you just need to raise a ticket and let us know. After that, join us at discord.mls.io. There, you just need to go and check in for the hackathon, that is Hack the Classroom. And again, you can clearly go to head to the channels and roles, which will be up there at the Discord channel at Major League Hacking. Then select Hack the Classroom. Let us know you are here so we can send you a swag. Now you might be wondering if I won something at the hackathon, whether it is stickers, whether it is prizes, how MLS is going to actually deliver it to us. So make sure you tell us your address so that we can send you a swag. You can just go to register for this event at hackp.ac/hack the classroom and you can update your address there. And also make sure you check in the event at hackp.ac/hack the classroom check-in so that we know you have checked in for the hackathon. And if you want to update your address, you just need to go to hackp.ac/address. And if you're wondering, uh, I've already done this, no need to do this again. In case if you have changed to a new place or if you have moved to a new place, make sure you update your address. Then we have what are the amazing tools which are available this weekend. Now, with tools, we also have amazing prizes. So we have MongoDB. So you will win a M500 starter kit that will be given for the best use of MongoDB. At last, you can just get started for free and work on it. So you can find more details at hackp.ac/MongoDB. Then we have coming up most creative use of GitHub. I feel this is a prize which a lot of folks are aware about. But yep, if you use GitHub in the most creative way, you will be winning a GitHub swag bundle. Then we have if you want the best domain name. I guess this category prize have the craziest of submission of all time. Think of a crazy, amazing name which suits your project, and you can go and buy yourself a domain name from GoDaddy registry. And the best domain name will win a hack from HomeKit for their entire team. And if you want to claim this free domain, you need to go to tech.study. Then we have best use of Hedra, best of use of Hedra for your hack, and you will be winning a Glarius modular keyboard. Okay, that is something I should also participate in. Moving ahead, we have the best sustainability hack. You will be winning some. You will be winning some amazing Lego sets. So if you want to know more about how you can actually incorporate this in your project, you can always go to hackpay.ac/need. Then we have best use of flow. Deploy your project to flow, and the individuals winning. Uh, like I need to check a price on this, but yeah, we have a category of best use of flow. Then we also have. Okay, just a second. Yep. We also have best use of type A. You should build a full stack web application with Python. So if you're an individual who think I need to work, I need to build a full stack web dev. Also remember we have a Python workshop. So intro to Python workshop. So you can go there and then you can visit Type A to build a full stack web dev application using Python, and you will be winning a pair of wireless headphones for sale. Now, to talk about the amazing sponsors prizes, I'll just give you folks a minute, like 30 seconds, to go to the prizes, which I've already said. We have this amazing sponsor prizes, which you can use the tools of the sponsor prizes, and the best one in this categories uh, will be getting prizes in these certain categories. Okay, I hope everyone has gone to the prizes. Yep, the GoDaddy one was remaining. Hack the home kit. Now, the specific hackathon prizes, that is address for inclusivity and accessibility in education. We have that is tech for inclusivity category. Then we have education by engagement, showcase the use of blockchain to promote the sustainable practices. Moving ahead, Hack the Classroom major prizes. The first prize will be USB microphone. Second will be a streaming webcam. Third will be a gaming mouse. Then for the tech for inclusivity, we have a desk organizer as a prize. And if you participate in the education by engagement, then we have how to build habit forming products as a prize. Okay, moving ahead, what else is going to happen on this weekend? Uh, to start off with, folks, I hope a lot of you are aware about our fellowship program. For someone who don't know about, Major League Hacking Fellowship Program is more like an internship alternative. You will be working with real life open source projects. This working internship will be 100% remotely. This fall sponsors include Meta, GitHub, and Google. So if you want to know more about MLS Fellowship, you should go to hackpay.ac/MLS Fellowship. Believe me, this is one of the most amazing internship alternative which I have ever seen. You will be earning a stipend. You will be building an amazing network between amazing hackers. So if you want to know more about it, you can always go to hackpay.ac/MLS Fellowship. Then we have, okay, anything else you need to be successful, you need to have to be successful. We want to submit we want you to submit a demo video. So what do you think demo video is? Demo video is something, a small picturization or a video format of what you have created during this weekend. So if you might be wondering, you have made an amazing project. Now the best part is you should be able to create a project, like it can be a 2-minute video which actually shows what your project does, and you should be able to explain it, record it, and submit a demo. Now, why this is required? This is required because a lot of amazing hackers and folks, and you can say everyone, go through your projects which are listed on DevPost. And the best part is they see what you have created. And when you have a demo video there, you have an extra advantage so that they can actually call up to you or ask you how you have made this project. So yeah, make sure you submit a demo. And if you submit a demo, you will get a customized iDemo sticker, which is specifically for this event. If you demo your project, you will be earning this iDemo sticker. Show what you build regardless of your projects. Sometimes we think that we do not have completed the project, we should not submit it, but you should submit regardless of what you have built, because that is what hackathons all about, right? It teaches you a lot of things, from time management to what are the things we work on. So you should always show what you have built during the hackathons. How do I create a great demo? Again, as I've said, include a 2-minute demo video. Show us what you have built, not just a set of slides. You can just should show the broadcast of what you have done, and moving ahead, should tell that what your project does. Include a link to the public code repo. Very important thing. Make sure you post your project on GitHub or any other open source area where we can see your code. Majorly GitHub, because it's easy to track there. And important thing is, make sure it will be a public code repo. So during our judging part, judges will be able to see what code you have written. Finally, submit your project at hacktheclassroom.devpost.com. by 10 a.m. ET on Sunday. 10 a.m. ET on Sunday will be the time where you need to actually submit your project by, so that you do not fail to submit your project. And on a very serious note, these hackathons are a space, MLH hackathons are a space safe for everyone. If you ever feel that you're in a in if you're in a position that you might be getting uncomfortable, or there are certain set of folks who are uh, trying to mock you every time, you should uh, just raise a ticket or just let me know, or any other MLS is working. You can also email to incidents@mls.io. The reason is these hackathons, which are hosted by Major League Hacking, are a space safe for everyone. Even it is a digital hackathon, certain folks can hamper your mental health, and we do not want to create that space for our amazing set of hackers. So make sure, if you face any certain issues, contact your MLHs. You can shoot up an email. We will be there to help you. And let's keep in touch. I will be there throughout this week with my two set of amazing MLHs, which will be helping you. And again, the most important part, let everyone know that you're hacking this weekend using the hashtag hack the classroom, and do not forget to tag MLH hacks. You can do this while taking the screenshot of this stream, or you can do this while you're working on your project. Show everyone else that you're working at an hackathon. Inspire them to participate in hackathons and get better at the dev skills and a lot of other skills as well. And my advice will be for you to have team up and have fun. These points have conveyed for, I guess, 3 to 4 times during my presentation. It's important to team up if you are working alone, and have fun, because I'll be very honest, when four set of people are working, like in a table chair or on a Discord channel, when we have a digital hackathon, you come up with ideas you never might come up alone. So it's important to team up, have fun, learn new things, and yep, that is what hackathon is all about. We encourage you to use like the channel team building to find yourself team or teammates. If you're someone who hasn't got a team or wanted to looking for a new set of team, you can always go to the team building channel and find yourself team or teammates. And if you still need help, join us by the team formation activity on Discord in an hour. I guess, yep, it will be in an hour. So make sure we have a team formation activity. If you aren't still able to find anyone for your team formation, it will be good to go. Hacking time begins now. Again, you should start working at Hack the Classroom, since the hacking time has begun up. And questions, concern, not sure where to begin, and we are starting a live Q&A right now. I think I have been talking for the last 20 minutes straight. So if you have any set of questions, just drop them in the chat. Just drop in them in the chat. I will be helping you folks to solve all those queries. If you have any doubt related to Discord or any other place, I will be there to help you. So let me get a quick sip of water before we start the Q&A. If you have certain set of questions, do drop them in the chat. I'm here to help you. Okay. I guess I'll just check if I've missed any major important question backwards. We have a lot of folks hopping in for the hackathon. Okay. I'll take everyone's questions, so be relaxed. We have time. Uh, I tried to make a project in the last Web3 hackathon, but all my teammates gave up before the submission, so it was a bit disappointment for me. I'll be very honest here. A maximum number of times it can happen that you are not able to complete the project, so the teammates give up usually. At that particular point of time, it's important to re-energize them and say that whatever we have built, let's present it in a way that it shows the thinking which we have for the project. So it's important to submit. We have discussed this during our slide presentation as well. It's important to show what you have built, regardless if you are able to, like, if you're not able to complete your project. Okay, someone asks, yes, the hacking period has begun. Hey, welcome to the stream. We have the slides after the session. Tula, I'm so sorry if I'm mispronouncing your name. All the details for the hackathon have been listed at our Discord server. The name of the channel is Hack the Classroom Read Only. It will contain all the information, starting with codes, starting with all the tools available. And again, if you're not able to find them, you have me, you have other set of MLHs who will be helping you throughout. You can use a tag of active MLHs, and we will be there to help you. I am a UI UX UI designer. Do I need to submit something in code, or I can submit a prototype? This is my first time participating in a hackathon. First of all, congratulations for participating in your first ever hackathon. And if you're someone who is a UX UI designer, find someone who can code, because I know you are an amazing designer and you need someone who can actually transform that into code. Again, you can submit your prototype, but when you submit your code, it gives you an extra advantage in front of judges when they're evaluating. So my piece of advice would be for you to team up with someone, as we have worked, as we have talked about, and submit an amazing project. And all the best. Any prerequisite for the fellowship, for a fellowship program? I can't say prerequisite, but you should have a command in that particular language you're working with. Also, you should also able to check out the projects which are being incorporated, like the partners we have. And if you want to know more about it, you can always raise a ticket at our Discord, and someone from the MLH fellowship team will definitely help you. I guess someone has also said, yep, you should have a project to showcase that what are the things you have worked on. I'm not sure I can see all the relevant channels after claiming my role. To be very honest, the channels you should be able to see are Hack the Classroom Read Only channels, where there will be all announcements. Then we have the check-in page where you can just click and check in for that hackathon. Then you also have can see the frequently questions for Hack the Classroom, and then the four other channels which you directly have the accesses: chat for Hack the Classroom. Then we have a team building channel. Then we have demo my hack channel, and then we have a hacker hangout channel. That is a voice channel. So these are the channels you should have. If you do not have, I guess there is certain problem while you are claiming to for the roles. Again, just to answer this question, it should not always be a full stack project, but it is something you should have a command while explaining. Last day of submission will be on the day of Sunday. I'll just get back to check on the timing from the Indian Standard Time. Just give me a minute. Hmm, let me check. I guess I will update that, but I guess that was 10:30 PT ET. I'll just update on the time. Okay. Are slides needed? If you are asking for demo, it gives you an advantage, but you have 2 minutes. So make sure you submit, you explain the main parts of your project, and then you should move to the slides if you have time. Hey, okay, I guess this is Nisarg, our amazing hackers. You can submit anything, but to win in a category prize, you need to implement it by coding the need of sponsors. If your project is coded, then it can also help other if they want to use it. Just to mention here, this community which we have, our hacker community, have certain set of amazing hackers, starting with coaches. Then you have hackers who are participating at every hackathon. You have amazing people to help you every time. So at any point of time, if you feel low, if you feel I will not be able to complete these projects, always remember there is a amazing community which is there to help you. uh, to Maureen, I guess you can also put up the same message in our Discord channel so that folks can actually approach you and it can be an open conversation. Nisarg is actually helping me out till the time I am solving other. I'm confused. What type of project can we make? Please help. To start off with, if you have never participated in hackathon, if I talk about this specific theme, you can work on a web development project. Can be a basic front end project, which shows that which is solving a problem for the learning experiences for student and teacher. Right? We are at a digital space where a lot of folks learn through the digital media. It can be YouTube, it can be Twitch or any other platform. But there are certain issues which everyone feels. So your creativity, or you can actually work on this thing with your friends. What are the things which are missing in this space, and we can work on. So you can make a web application, you can make an app application. You have the space to work on anything. Hi, if we are a team of designer planning to submit only a design, what deliverables are we expected to create and submit? Prototype is something which should always be available, but my uh, take on this would be to team up with someone who is also can code, because that is something which is going to give you an extra advantage. But again, if you are a team of designers, prototype is something which is going to help you. And just this is my take. There are certain amazing tools available on the internet which will convert your design to code. You can also use them. Make sure you use a proper use of AI to work on. Do not cheat. Cheat is something which is not accepted by us in any form, and we have amazing set of people who work on these projects when they check your code during the time of submissions and judging. So make sure you use the AI tools, but you use your own logic. Where are the activities located? If you are talking about all the activities which we'll be working on, I am sharing a link in the chat. You can just go and find all the activities there. Okay. Hello, this is my first time. Where to begin? Hey, Handra, welcome to another. First of all, congratulations for your first hackathon. To start off with, make sure you go and join Major League Hacking Discord server. There you should be able to check in for the hackathon, that is Hack the Classroom, and then you can start out with, if you can start out with working with a team, finding a new team. If you want to know more about the theme, I've shared a link in the chat. This week we are working on a theme which is more like create something or build an innovative hack which helps the students and the teachers to have a better learning experience. Will not be making a project on theme hurt your chances too much. uh, Again, themes are only for inspiration. Themes are something which will help you to think in a single direction, right? You won't be thinking of other directions. That is why we are giving a theme. Can you show all the links where we should register? When you go to Discord, you will find all the links regarding same. As simple as it gets. When you check in, you will be see. I can do one thing. I can do one thing. I can share my screen, which is going to help you. Just a second. Share screen. Window. Discord. Okay. I hope my screen is visible. So when you go to Discord, Major League Hacking Discord, you should be able to see this channel. Welcome to check in Hack the Classroom. You can see register on the website, check in to the hackathon, register on day first, finally claim the classroom from the roles and the relevant channels. So I guess this answers your query. If you still have any more, you can always create a ticket on Discord, and we folks will be there to help you out. Can you please share the slides on the Discord server? I need to check, like if you need this, but again, yep, I can share that with you. And if you want to know, if you want to think that where all the prices will be listed, you can go to Dev Post. You can go to the event website page. All the prices are mentioned there, so you do not need to worry about it. And I will be sharing the slides if you want. What type of projects can we build and where to start from? Chetan, if I talk about, if you specifically want to work towards a theme, work on projects which actually solves problems for students and teachers so that they can have a better learning experience. We all were in COVID at a certain time, and we thought of many difficulties we faced. So you can think of that. You can sit with your team, make a team, start working with them, think of a probable problem which already exists in this area, and try to work on it. Nisar again coming to the rescue. Hey everyone, I guess Dum 98. You can post this message on the Discord. You can see the channel chat, Hack the Classroom, and a team building. You can just go there and drop these questions, and you will be able to find new members for your team. How to ask questions? You can ask here. I will be happy to answer those questions. Okay. Caramel is already advocating himself or herself. I'm so sorry for the best. What is the MLH Fellowship Prep Program? MLH Fellowship Prep Program is basically a program which prepares you for the main fellowship program. In this program, we work with folks, get them better at their project so that they can should feel comfortable and confident on the learning language they are working on. There are there any documentation prerequisites? If you want any type of documentation, if you feel any need any type of help with, you should not. You will be able to find all the resources in. Let me show you on Discord. See, you will be able to find all the things here. If you want to get a free domain, okay, let me just check if this is a correct one. I have shared Flow Microsoft Azure. Okay, I guess this is the read only thing, but you can always work on the chat. Someone is already working on it, but I'll be sharing all the respective links. You can just go here and find all the required links, which is going to help you for this hackathon. Okay, I guess someone answered. Again, Nisar. It's similar to MLS Fellowship Program. It's a small 3-week program which will get you experience what MLS Fellowship will be like and make you aware. You can find more about it at this. Thanks, Nisar, for the link. Yes, you can use Replit. You have all the like chances of whatever tool you wanted to use during this weekend. We give like sponsor tools so that if you want to work on a certain category and if you want to participate in a certain category for like a prize, then you can work it. Working in a team who is expected to submit the project and demo, and if the project wins, who will be getting the records? Rewards. How also, how can someone claim their contribution in team a project? Just wanted to know. Okay, let me distribute. This is an amazing question by Avinash. Working in a team, uh, for example, I'll take an example here. Sit in a team of four, right? Sit in a team of four. Discuss who is the best presenter in the team. Just discuss with them who is expected to submit the project and the demo. You can just like select one. Actually, when you can say register yourself on DevPost for the hackathon, you need to select the team members so that you when you submit the project, it is submitted for all of the behalf. That's it. When you go on DevPost, you will have, and if you will have any issues for DevPost, we will have DevPost hours specifically for you on our Discord channel. So if you will have any type of certain type of issues, we will be there to help you. And if the project wins, who will be getting the rewards? Again, if a project wins, we focus on a single uh, reward which is going for the team. We work on it. For example, if you talk about the item mode one, that sticker goes to everyone in the team. And then when we talk about the best gold ready domain prize, right, that also goes to everyone in the team that hack the home kit. So you will have the prizes for everyone. Also, how can someone claim their contribution in team project? Just wanted to know. Again, you need to be clear of what you have contributed in a team. So, for example, if you have worked on a web application which have both front end and back end, you should clearly know what are the things you have worked on. So, for example, if you will be explaining this project to someone else, uh, they will be actually able to understand this is the things you have actually worked on with. Okay, I hope I have answered your question. When exactly is team building thing you mentioned? That will be at 10 p.m. Indian Standard Time on our Discord server. Is the address from same as earlier? If we have not changed your address and if you have already updated us, that thing will work. That thing is going to work. You do not need to worry. Otherwise, if you have moved to a new place, you should update your address so that we will be able to send you swags. Can we build a web app like rental app or whether web or food delivery app? Any suggestion you would like to give? PS, it's my first hackathon. Hey Aditya, welcome. Like and all the best for your first ever hackathon. For this hackathon, I guess we have a theme that is student and educators. So I feel you can work something around that. Again, that is for inspiration. But my recommendation, again, this is my personal take. You can work on something which actually helps students to have a better learning experience. It can be you can build a platform which gives students rewards for attending classes. It can be coins or anything. A platform which promotes them to learn about more and more things. How can I say this? For example, you have websites which sells you courses, right? So when you complete a project, they give you certain points. So you can work on something like that, which actually motivates folks to work better in this department. Everyone has to be registered on dev post where any of you fill the project details and can make demo. In dev post, you can describe your contribution of project where you submit your project. There is a section on the left side to describe the contribution. Yeah. Okay, that is something which is for the physical things one. Okay, I hope it's Yash. I don't know. Hello, I'm here after months. Python Pro's anniversary is coming up, so just speaking at the community before going back to that. Hey Yash, welcome to the stream. I know Python Pros is an amazing community. Okay, I guess two good friends have met after a long time and they are now chatting in the comment section. Will everyone get the postcards for participation? We have certain set of swags which are packed for you folks. So if you participate or submit your project, you will be liable for a prize. You have done great work making it one of the best guilds. Let's celebrate it like your birthday pizza. Yep, the best thing which the devs like. Submitting the deadline for the video will be again. Let me just confirm the time right now. I just checked it. Okay, so the submission time for the project will be 7:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time, and that will be 10 a.m. ET if someone is from that domain. And the initial submissions will be at 5:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. And if I talk about what are initial submission is basically you have actually started to work submitting on your project. What happens is when we try to submit our project during the last times, we actually miss the deadline, and after the deadline, you will not be able to submit your projects. So make sure you start submitting your project. I'll just share the screen for a better representation. Okay, I guess my screen should be visible. Yes. Again, I have shared this link in the chat. I will do this once again. You will find all the details for the hackathon, which event is happening when you need to submit your project, everything which is mentioned here. So someone asked when is the submission. So the initial submission will start on Sunday 5:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time, and it will go up to 7:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. That is when the hacking ends. And at 9:45 p.m. Indian Standard Time, we'll have the closing ceremony. And currently, we are at the opening ceremony and we are up with the questions. Okay, I guess the link is up. Again, folks, the Discord channel will be there to help you with every other query you have. You will have me throughout the weekend. You will have certain more two MLHs will be there to help you throughout this weekend. So if any point of time you feel I'm not feeling confident, there is an issue in my team, what should I do? You will have us to support you. You will have this amazing set of folks, amazing community to help you. And I guess Nisar and all the other folks who are already helping other folks in the chat, you know these folks, right? Again, can you please highlight the submission part, video submission part again? So to give a quick summary of what video submission is. It's basically demoing your project. For example, I have made a full stack web development project for which helps students to have a better learning experience, right? So now I should make a 2-minute video explaining what I have built, what are the other features which makes my application special other than that. And that demo video should only be limited to 2 minutes. Why? 2 minutes because it gives the judge a perspective that what are the major things you have created during these 2 minutes. Do not try to cover each and everything what you have made in the project. Try to focus on the features and the other work. What will the project actually contain? First hackathon year. Haha. Oh, I guess this hackathon is a first timer for a lot of folks. Your project should contain a hack, a innovative hack which actually helps the students and the teachers to have a better learning experience. Again, this is a theme which is just for inspiration, and if you want to look at other things, want to make something else, you are free to do that. Again, as I mentioned, you will get the postcard and stickers if you submit in the hackathon, if we have the certain set of prizes we have. And let me also do one thing which C slash the classroom. If this link is working. Okay, I guess I have shared all the links. You will have that on the chat. Vinayak, what dynamic duos are you hosting this Global Hack Week? I'm kind of stuck during this Global Hack Week. I'm trying to have an amazing session uh, during this Global Hack Week, but I'm trying to make it possible. So if that will be up, I'll be super happy to have it. Okay, thanks for asking that, Yash. Folks, I'm here. If you have any more questions, just let me know. If you want to know more about it, other hackathons, you can also go. If you're wondering, you want to participate in an offline hackathon, right? You can also go and check our MLH 2024 season hackathons, and you will be able to find all the other hackathons. Again, if you are not able to hack during this weekend, if have any other doubt, you will have me to solve that. But I'm very glad folks asked a lot of things. Okay, how to submit? I'm so sorry I missed it. How to submit a project in DevPost? Can you give a short rundown for submission and other stuff? And is there a certificate for participation and winners? Uh, for submitting a project in DevPost is very easy. We will have DevPost hours for that. For like submit DevPost hours. So right now it's important you go and register everywhere, uh, so that you will have to work on it. And to give a short rundown, let me see. I'll just Okay, we have the link from the Discord. Let me share this tab instead. Okay, we already have a 183. You need to go here to submit your projects. Firstly, you need to join your hackathon. It will ask me to log in, but I'll just tell you, you just need to go and register on DevPost for this hackathon. When you will go here, it will give DevPost has a very simple interface to submit your projects, and you will be able to submit it very easily. And if even if you have any other mode out, let me do it for you. Wait, let me do it for you. Let me log in out the stream, and I will help you how you can actually submit it through. Okay, let me share the screen once again. Okay. Uh, Firstly, you need to register for hackathon. You can write working solo, looking for teammates, already have a team. Who told you about Hack This Classroom? Major League Hacking. You can say Twitter. I have read. Just firstly register for the hackathon. Again, when you want to start with submission of your project, click on create project. And again, you can clearly see here to do's: register for Hack the Classroom, register for the MLH community Discord, go for Hack the Classroom check-in. I guess I've already shared the Discord page where all the links were mentioned, so you'll be able to find it. If you want to submit a project, you can click on start project or create project. Again, this is a secret invite link. I guess I should hide it, but this invite link will only be available to your teammates who are working, so that they can make edits. You can just go here. You can add team members. You can go to the project overview, write the project name, what your project does. If you have made a thumbnail for the project, you can do that. Click on project details. This project details should talk about what is the inspiration, what the project does, how did you build it, what are the languages you use to build it. Tryout links. When we talk about the tryout links, we are talking about the project where we are talking about the links where project is posted. So maximum number of times you will have the GitHub to host your projects. Again, if you have any project media and the demo video link which we talked about during the live stream, then you need to go to the next part, that is the additional info which you want to update. Again, if you want to know more, again, the next thing is, if you want to click on specific special prices you want to apply, this is a very important step. So if you're someone who has used MongoDB at last, you have used GitHub, you have used Hedra, you have used Flow, Avande, and GoDaddy registry, make sure you select all this. Why do you need to select all this? So when the judging will be happening, folks will be able to know that which projects, like which sponsor categories you have opted for, like this, so that if you have applied for the category, you will be able to do it. List all the universities or schools that your team members currently attend so that we will be able to give them MLS points. Discord username. Was this project submitted to other hackathons? You need to be honest here. Fill out all the required details and boom, submit. That is how you will be submitting a project in a video. To be very honest, this is the simple interface you will be getting to submit your project on DevPost. So I hope, yep, you need to host. Should be yes, you need to include the hosted link or the GitHub repo link in the link section, and the project code repo should be public. I guess that was a good representation of how you can submit your projects on DevPost. Okay, there is a great offline hackathon happening. OpenX, check it out, folks. Just a small thing. Yep, OpenX will be happening. This hackathon is partnered up with Major League Hacking. You can just go to MLS Seasons 2024. I can do that for you. MLS Season 2024. You can just check this hackathon out. And yep, if you want to take a part in an offline hackathon, we will be happy to help you. You can just go to openhacks.co and check out more details there. Yep, me Ashish. Yep, I remember this. I Nisarg and Ashish played Dino. Let's do this during our hacker hangouts and mini events this time. You can hey you can find awesome hacker in Discord. Yes, I guess Chetan asked how can we make teams. Just go to Major League Hacking Discord server. There you will be able to find a team building channel, and you will be able to find out amazing hackers just like you. Can I change my status from working solo to looking for teammates? Yep, you can change that. You will have the privilege to work to change it. Can you give an example of a hack to submit as a project? Again, keeping the theme in mind, I discussed that you can work on a platform which will give rewards to students to attending lectures, right? Rewards can be certain points which they can redeem, or it can be making an interface which helps them better to understand a project. So certain applications there which you can, on this side you can write code, and on this side there is a project running. That is how we all started, right? While working with you too. So try to work something on that. Okay, I guess which one of the hack idea discussed. I guess four number of I need to check. Uh, I guess four number of hackers should be there in your team. Yep, maximum number of four hackers. But I feel there is no limit. There is no limit. You can have more than four. Again, yes, I just checked on DevPost. You can have more than four, but four is recommended because you get the best result in four. For more than four, you will need the proof of work for every teammate, and it's hassle on both of the sides. Yep, when judges go through your projects, yep, you can have five. You can have five. There is no limit. But when judges check your work, they need to check what all the team members contributed the work in. So it will be easy for them to see that every other team member contributed the same way. Thanks. Okay, we okay. I'll just wait for a minute or so. If you have any other doubt, again, folks, you will have the Discord server to ask any certain number of questions. We have an amazing community, and adding to that, we will have coaches which will be there to help you throughout the hackathon. So you should not feel scared at any point of time. Hmm. Okay. If we do not have any more questions, again, folks, if you want to connect, you can connect with me on my Twitter. That is, I just keep posting stuff around hackathons. And if you will have any other more doubts for the hackathon, you can just check out our Discord. And in less than, I guess, in the next 30 minutes, we have a team building activity coming up. So I'm going to give you folks time so that you can actually go and have your lunch or dinner if you are in the APAC time or any other time. Take a break. It's already been an hour we are running this stream. But again, as Yash says, keep participating in hackathons, get that offline experience, get that if you're participating in offline hackathons, but these online hackathons are also a way good forward for you to take participate and have fun with. Okay, folks. So with that, I'll take your leave. I'll give you folks time to get relaxed and get ready for the next event, which is scheduled to happen at let me check, 30 minutes from now. Yep, 30 minutes. That will be a hacker hangout. The mini event will be the team formations. You will have another coach which will be taking it. So make sure you register for the hackathon, check out on all the links. And if you will need any other help, you will have me and other folks to work on it. So with that, folks, I'll take a leave for now, but you will have my support throughout the hackathon time if you need any time. Till then, bye, folks. I'll see you soon. Else, just select a good music to end it with. Bye, folks. Thanks for staying.